Hey, what's technical debt? I've heard engineers saying that a lot. Oh, tech debt, that's just the cost of refactoring software you've already shipped. What does that mean? Technical debt is simply the work that you have to do to fix something that is wrong with software that you have already released. It's considered debt because you typically know when you're going to incur this debt, and so you kind of owe it to the software to actually go and fix it at some point. Simple analogy, let's compare technical debt to financial debt. So why do we as humans incur financial debt? Usually because we want to use that debt in order to achieve something or get something that we want, like a mortgage or a loan for studying. But we know that when we get a mortgage or a loan from a bank, we are expected to pay that back, and we should have a plan to do that. Now, because we're going to pay it back, we're really using financial debt in this case as a tool to get us something that we want faster. In a similar way, technical debt is a tool in software development that you can use. Now, why would you want to build something in a way that means you have to go back and fix it? Why would you be okay with incurring technical debt? Here are a few reasons why tech debt can be okay. 1, you want to speed up the time it will take to deliver a piece of software. And so you have to make a trade-off between the amount of time it will take versus how long it will take to actually build it and the quality. To get something out fast means you may not be able to build something in the best way or in the best quality possible, but you plan to fix that later. 2, it's just bad code. Shitty code, maybe the person who wrote it did a shitty job, maybe it doesn't scale well, maybe it's an old language. It's just bad code. Thirdly, you made the intentional decision to incur tech debt in order to achieve some kind of other outcome, like getting out something super quickly so you could get market feedback, and you knew you could only do that by building something in a scrappy way. So is tech debt good or bad? Well, it's not good or bad. It's okay to use it as a tool, but it could be bad if you never fixed it. So much like financial debt, it's okay to incur tech debt if you want to use it for a specific reason, to achieve something. And it's not just being used to shortcut and be lazy. Now, some technical debt can compound and get worse over time if it's not fixed. Just like if you never paid back your loan, but in technical terms, the interest is actually more bugs, the software could break, it runs really slow, it doesn't scale, or it's really hard to work with. Product and engineering should work together to prioritize tech debt.